Wire ropes are very important lifting tool in any lifting operations. But there are some kind of defects that you must understand in wire ropes. So in this video, we will explain each and every type of defects with real images so that you can identify and you can inspect those wire ropes and you can have a safe lifting operations at your work site. The first one is broken wires. So look at this image. You can see broken wires or broken strands. So why this has happened? This has happened because this wire rope को repeatedly use किया, उसको ज़्यादा bend किया, नहीं तो उसको overload किया beyond its capacity. So इसी कारण multiple wires break हो गया. So this wire has loosened its strength because of repeated use or overuse, and this will definitely fail if it is loaded once again. So before using the sling, आपको क्या करना चाहिए? आपको check करना चाहिए whether this broken wires, if you can see, if you are seeing it, replace it immediately. Next one is heat damage, and this is very common in the work site. And see, this is the heat damage. आपको ये notice कर पाएंगे. Inside, you would be seeing this color, discolorization. ये कलर आपको नोटिस कर पाएंगे. एंड दिस इज अ बिग वार्निंग. अगर वायर रोप्स आर एक्सपोज टू वेल्डिंग स्पार्क्स, नहीं तो हाई टेम्परेचर एंड ऑल, द मेटल क्या हो जाएंगे? वीक हो जाएंगे. तब ऐसे कलर आपको दिखाई पाएंगे. एंड दिस कैन कॉज द वायर रोप टू ब्रेक अंडर प्रेशर. तो आप क्या करना चाहिए? ऑलवेज यू हैव टू रिमूव द वायर रोप्स from the direct heat sources like welding and all, cutting and all. And if you see such color change, you have to replace the rope as soon as possible. The next one is damaged sleeve. Please check into this image. तो ये स्लीव क्या है? What is this sleeve? ये स्लीव है वायर रोप को सिक्योर करके रखने के लिए. दिस स्लीव इज यूज्ड. सो अगर ये स्लीव ही क्रैक्ड है, लूज्ड है, डिफॉर्म्ड है, ये एंटायर वायर रोप कैन स्लिप आउट ऑफ दिस and it can cause a big failure. तो हमेशा आपको स्लीव के बारे में चेक करना चाहिए. You have to inspect it, and if the sleeve is damaged, you have to replace that wire rope immediately. The next one is shock load. Please check into this image. So अगर आप देखा होगा कि वायर रोप दिखने में एकदम परफेक्ट है आउटसाइड में, लेकिन जब लोड करते वक्त it suddenly fails. So what could be the reason? This is because of shock loading. ये कब होते हैं shock loading? हम directly देखेंगे what is this shock loading. So this happens when a heavy load is dropped or suddenly a load is applied. Even if the rope looks okay, rope आपको okay लगेंगे, लेकिन internally there could be some kind of damage. So आप suddenly when you are actually loading it, or suddenly when the load is dropped, this shock load damage happens. So what you have to do? Always lift smoothly. Avoid sudden drops or jerking movements. Replace the rope that has been affected with this damage immediately. The next damage is crushing. And this damage is very easily identifiable. Now let us check why this crushing damage is happening. So look at this image. This crushed wire rope is because the rope is actually not stored properly, or it is stored under heavy objects. So when the rope is stored under the heavy objects, ये rope में क्या होगा? Pressure होगा. ऊपर का heavy objects का pressure होने के कारण these ropes would be weak and it can create crushing impact. So always आप क्या करना चाहिए? ये rope को ठीक से store करना चाहिए. एकदम perfectly store करने से ये crushing impact आपको eliminate कर पाएंगे. Next one is overloading. And this image is a classic example of overloading. So when the rope is loaded beyond its capacity, अगर आप rope को beyond its capacity में load करेंगे तो ये stretch हो जाएंगे. Then it gets deformed. तो जब wire rope को आप stretch करेंगे, क्या हो जाएंगे? परमानेंटली डिफॉर्म्ड हो जाएंगे. बियॉन्ड द कैपेसिटी में आप उनको लोड करेंगे तो दैट शुड नॉट बी डन. सो ऑलवेज आपको क्या करना चाहिए? लोड रेटिंग आपको चेक करना चाहिए. देन ओनली दिस काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेचिंग कैन बी अवॉइडेड एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ रोप्स हैज टू बी एक्सक्लूडेड immediately from the site. Next kind of defect is wear and abrasion. Please check into the image. This wear happens when wire rope is repeatedly rubbing against the sharp edges or rough surface. Wear and tear हो जाता है when wire rope is actually rubbing against the sharp surfaces. So over time this wear and tear में क्या हो जाता है? Wire rope का strength reduce हो जाते हैं. So you have to lift using protective sleeves. Corner में sleeves रखना चाहिए. सो कॉर्नर में स्लीव्स रखने में ये वियर एंड टेयर आपको अवॉइड कर पाएंगे. The next one is very very common and it is always seen in all the sites, which is rust and corrosion. So when you are exposing the wire rope to the atmosphere, which is having moisture, chemicals and all those things, easily the metal wires gets corroded, and when it is corroded, it weakens the metal fibers. So eventually what happens is that the metal rope gets breakage when load is applied. So what you have to do, you have to store this in the dry place, protect it by applying lubrications regularly. The next one is bird caging, and this happens when wire rope is twisted. Now let us see how this happens. So this bird caging happens when wire rope को आप twist करेंगे, नहीं तो improperly आप load करेंगे. So this kind of twisting और bird caging actually होने से wire rope को significantly weaken हो जाएंगे. The wire rope will not be safe for lifting. So always क्या करना चाहिए, इनको clearly आप ठीक तरीके से स्टोर करना चाहिए. नेवर ट्राई टू फोर्स इट एंड कभी आप उनको कॉम्प्रोमाइज मत कीजिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज वेल्ड स्पैटर डैमेज, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी कॉमन, वेरी इजीली आइडेंटिफाइबल. सो व्हेनेवर द वेल्डिंग इज हैपनिंग, वेल्ड स्पैटर वायर रोप के ऊपर गिर जाएंगे, एंड व्हेन द वेल्ड स्पैटर इज इन टच with the wire rope, it creates damage because of the hot surface. So it can actually cause the weld strands to break और strength भी reduce हो जाएंगी. So हमेशा आप क्या करना चाहिए, जो slings को हमेशा welding area से दूर रखना चाहिए और heat से avoid करना चाहिए. हमेशा protective covers इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. Next one is homemade repair, and this is very dangerous. This is mostly seen in all the sites. You should never do this and you should never compromise with this. Some people try to fix this by using wire ropes or tapes or clamps सब करके ये homemade repair कैसे भी ये wire rope को ठीक करने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे. But this is extremely dangerous. Wire ropes को आप साइट में कभी भी रिपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए. This can create damages, more damages, and also उसका load bearing capacity को कम करेंगे. The next one is very serious one, tying knots. आप दिखाई देंगे कि knots tie क्या रहेंगे in wire ropes. Knots you would see in this image. ऐसा knots होने से wire rope का strength 50% reduce हो जाएंगे. So imagine if the wire rope is of 110, so immediately if there is a knot, single knot can reduce that 1 ton into half ton. So that is the problem with these knots. So knots एक weak spot है, हमेशा knots को avoid करना है. अगर such knots रहेंगे तो immediately such wire ropes has to be terminated of use. So now in this video you have understood all the defects that you can find in a wire rope. So use this knowledge for your advantage at the site and try to build a great safety culture at your company. Thank you.